In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Smooth Love portion. We're currently having a rally in the altcoin market. Smooth Love portion is up 14% in the last 1 week. How high can Smooth Love portion go in this relief rally in the altcoin market? Can we see it pumping way into the moon in 2023? We have seen Smooth Love portion dumping to gobbling town in 2022, where we saw it lose more than 86.7% of its value. How high can this altcoin go in 2023 if we continue pumping to the upside? Where are we going to face resistance on our quest to go to the moon? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Smooth Love portion US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We'll also be looking at Smooth Love portion's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Smooth Love portion's market cap, which currently sits above $100 million. We have seen Smooth Love portion's market cap drop to as low as $16 million in June 2022. So Smooth Love portion's market cap pumped to new all-time highs in 2023, or we're going to see it further dump to gobbling down. We're going to be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is a channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The altcoin market started 2023 on a brighter note. We've seen the altcoin market rallying up to higher prices in the first month of 2023. That's a far cry from the dump we saw in 2022, where altcoins were dumping to gobbling town, and we saw Smooth Love portion losing more than 86% of its value in the bear market. But as expected, in the bear market, you expect to see altcoins dumping to gobbling town after the huge bull run we had in the bull market. In the bull market, we saw Smooth Love portion pumping up more than 4,400% in around 369 days. In total, just $1,000 invested in Smooth Love portion when it was launched would have returned more than $41,000 when it peaked in July 2021. But the bear market has been brutal to this altcoin. We have seen Smooth Love portion dumping to gobbling town in the bear market, going from as high as $0.39 in July 2021, dumping to as low as $0.00199 by January 2023. In total, Smooth Love portion has lost more than 99.5% of its value in around 538 days. The bottom might be in for Smooth Love portion, or we might still have further downsides to go. But right now, as we're having a rally in the altcoin market and we're seeing altcoins pumping to higher prices, if Smooth Love portion starts pumping to higher prices, where are we going to face resistance and where are we going to have difficulties as we're pumping to higher prices? First, you want to pay attention to the $0.0041 region. We have seen Smooth Love portion have some interactions with that price point over the last 7 months. So I'll not be shocked if that's a very, very important region for Smooth Love portion in 2023, where we see it get rejected again before we continue dumping to gobbling down. Guys, there's always that possibility that the bottom is not in. If we see Bitcoin turns on itself and continue dumping to gobbling down, we might see all coins even dump harder than Bitcoin in the bear market. But if we're lucky and Bitcoin continues pumping to higher prices, we'll see the altcoins also pumping to higher prices, and we might see Smooth Love portion face some little resistance, maybe at the $0.0098 level. If you take a look at what Smooth Love portion has done at the past, we have had some major bounces off that level. So I'll not be shocked to see Smooth Love portion having some difficulties getting above that $0.0098 level. 4 different times we've had bounces off that level. Only once we saw Smooth Love portion piercing below it. So right now, that huge support level is going to be acting as resistance for Smooth Love portion in the bear market. And the fact that when the bear market doesn't mean we won't get some relief rallies to the upside. As Smooth Love portion has been dumping to gobbling town, the highest rally we have seen was when Smooth Love portion rallied up 381%, and that happened in January 2022. So I'll not be shocked to still see Smooth Love portion rallying up to higher prices in January 2023. For us to rally back to the $0.0095 level, Smooth Love portion will have to rally up around 366%. And if we're able to blast above that resistance level, there's always that possibility that we'll see them continue dumping to gobbling town. So you want to dollar cost average through the process. You don't want to go all in. If you take a look at what Smooth Love portion has been in the last 1 year, we have seen this altcoin go from as high as $0.04 to as low as $0.0019. Smooth Love Potion currently has a market cap of $101 million. We have over 42 billion Smooth Love Potion tokens in circulation, and Smooth Love Potion is currently ranked 175 on CoinMarketCap, with over 283,000 people having this altcoin on their watch list. The bear market is very long. The bear market is very, very boring. But those people that survive the bear market are going to be profitable by the end of the next bull run. If you want to be among the smart investors, I'll be shouting kumbaya when we get there. You want to be making your plans in the bear market, and you don't want to be distracted by any pumps we're going to be having to the upside. Now, take a look at Smooth Love Potion performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. We have seen it really dumb to gobbling down, but that's what you expect with all coins in the bear market. We can really see them pump to the upside against Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bull market, but in the bear market, we see them losing those gains and giving those gains back to the market. In the bull market, we saw Smooth Love Potion outperforming Bitcoin by more than 3,000%. But right now, Smooth Love Potion has gone to set new lows in the bear market, and we might see Smooth Love Potion be in hibernation mode against Bitcoin till we get to the next bull run. If you also take a look at Smooth Love Potion performance against Ethereum, we saw similar action, pumping really well in the bull market, but right now it's in hibernation mode in the bear market. And guys, that's why I'm telling you guys, you want to be careful with it, because right now there's a lot of fear in the market, and when people are scared, you see them running towards safety. That's why we saw Smooth Love Potion losing more than 86% of its value in 2022. But hopefully 2023 is going to be a great year. We're going to see all coins pumping to higher prices, and maybe just maybe Smooth Love Potion's market cap is going to even pump to new all-time highs in 2023. The highest we're seeing Smooth Love Potion's market cap get to was around the $300 million region, where it got to in August 2021. And since then, we've seen Smooth Love Potion's market cap dumping to gobbling down, even getting to as low as the $16 million region. But right now, Smooth Love Potion's market cap has gone back above $100 million. We saw more tokens coming into circulation. So I'll not be shocked to see Smooth Love Potion's market cap even drop to new all-time lows in the bear market. But those people that are accumulating some Smooth Love Potion, getting ready for the next bull run, that will be some music to their ears if they see Smooth Love Potion dumping to gobbling down. But guys, if we see Smooth Love Potion rallying up to higher prices as the relief rally continues, we might see it break the previous all-time high, going above $300 million. And that will require Smooth Love Potion, from where we're currently trading right now, to rally up more than 200% to the moon. If we see Smooth Love Potion rallying up around 300%, 400%, we might even see the market cap head to that wonderful $500 million region before the end of 2023. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Right now, we're having a relief rally in the altcoin market. Where do you see Smooth Love Potion going to in the nearest future? Do you see us pumping really high in this relief rally right now? Is the bottom in? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
1